In previous videos, we discussed the effects of compounding on investors' returns. This next series of videos examines how daily rebalancing leads to deviations from the underlying index for investors who hold leveraged and inverse ETFs longer than a day. Stay with us as we examine how a leveraged ETF rebalances its holdings daily under three different multi-day scenarios: when markets rise steadily, when they decline steadily, and when they're flat but volatile. Keep in mind that for the entirety of this video, we will be using leveraged ETFs for the example. But these same principles also apply when inverse ETFs are used. Let us look at what happens when the market rises steadily over the course of 4 days. For explanatory purposes, the index value is set at 100 and the movements are set at 5% per day. Leveraged 2x ETFs seek to maintain a daily exposure of up to 2 times the underlying index. Let's say you're an active investor and you believe that the market will go up. You may decide to use a 2x leveraged ETF to give you up to 200% daily leverage for your market exposure. If you read the market correctly and on day 1, the index rises to 105 points, a 5% gain, your investment will gain 10%, that is, 2 times the index's exposure. This 2-to-1 exposure ratio is reset or rebalanced every day, so that the leveraged ETF can achieve its daily goal. However, this daily rebalance can also increase or decrease your exposure to the index if you hold your position for periods greater than 1 day. The changes in exposure level can mean that your returns can sometimes be different than 2 times the cumulative performance of the index over a longer period. Rebalancing can be an effective mechanism to help pursue returns closer to the fund multiple, which in this scenario is 2 times. Let us assume this upward trend continues for day 2, 3, and 4. By the time you close out your position on day 4, the index has now risen to 121.6 points, a 21.6% gain. So, while the index total gains for the 4 days is an impressive 21.6%, the 2 times leveraged ETF has returned more than 2 times. Daily rebalancing has increased your risk each day, and the subsequent upward index movements have caused positive compounding. Notice that this is more than double of 21.6%, which is the return of the index. This is due to a compounding effect as we hold the leveraged ETF for days. As a result, the leveraged ETF's accumulated gain is magnified and returns 46.4%. As a leveraged ETF investor, you need to recognize your increased exposure and risk, even if you believe the positive trend will continue. It is highly recommended that you constantly monitor your exposure level. In the next video, we will illustrate what happens when the market turns bearish instead. This video is for educational purposes only and not intended as investment advice.